Should I go again this side? Practicing. That was an Erckels. Yeah. Erckels. Oh, action already.
How hard it is to get prepared.
You got him off good to the shot.
No, I did, but like from here, they're coming up.
She said like about 10.
Oh my god.
It's kind of good, Lynn.
Yeah, I mean, all the hunters will hopefully be gone by then.
Yeah. Damn! I had good shot at him too. That was a nice one.
I wonder if it had land on the road.
Freak, I was right on him too, but shit.
You want to try see?
Why, it looked like it had land on the road.
Potentially. Where do I shoot?
This one, you kind of just aim for him. Like,
But I'm going below.
oh, yeah, try just aim for him, because it's not really like going sideways or anything. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There you go. See, because if they're going like this, you can kind of aim on them, but if they're going this way, you gotta lead them, or like if they're coming at you, kind of like fast. But this kind, they're kind of just going, so. Pull. Yeah. It's some nice ring there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You got it.
You got him?
Yeah, I heard it fall. Wait, wait, you know where it dropped?
Yeah, mark him.
Okay, stand there.
To the right.
Which tree?
See that
The dead
tall
tree? In the middle?
And then to the right of it. You can't even walk in here.
Oh, check out. Oh yeah, nice one. Woohoo, on the board. Damn. Well, it was right in front of you.
I didn't have anything in the chamber.
Oh man. Well, I missed 3 shots. It was a nice one. It was a hybrid or something. Where did they get flush from? Well, I had freaking 3 shots at him and I missed him. Ready to go hunt, go on, puppy. Ready to go. Ready to go hunt. Ready to go hunt. Yeah, you gotta go hunt. Gotta go hunt, go puppy. Gotta go hunting.